So trade recap, I took some pretty decent trades on oil, and I'm just gonna crude oil. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly why, like what happened and why I took the trades and like how we hit TP. So right here, you guys can see that this candle right here, it looks like it's. So when you see a candle that looks like an upside down hammer, what does that mean? So you guys have to actually look at it. So right here, price opens down here, goes slightly down, wicks downwards a bit, goes up, wicks all the way up here, and then sellers were strong enough to push price down, and it closed here. So the wick on top is longer than the wick on the bottom. So that means the sellers are actually stronger. And reversals usually happen when that happens. For example, this right here, the same thing happens, shows that sellers are strong. And what do we see later? Price reverses. Same thing here. What do we see later? Price reverses. So that's a really nice thing to look into. So where was I? Where did I want to aim? Why was I on the sell? Where was the liquidity? Where's the liquidity I'm looking for? Right here. So this unfilled this gaps usually, like price usually goes back to gaps in order to fill the gaps. So we can see that price shoots all the way back down to fill it, but I was just aiming for like slightly here. Usually I aim for somewhere like here, here, but I was just aiming for here. I don't know. Felt like it was a safer option, and price went there. We barely tapped it, and yeah, we kind of hit the zone, the invisible zone. So right here, really nice trade. So over here, I had a really good trade. I'm not gonna lie. I was supposed to aim for like slightly lower, obviously not here where I marked this, obviously not here, because it was kind of like low probability, and my stop loss wasn't too high. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't looking for a long trade. I didn't look at it, but I should have seen this and probably gone for it, because it was kind of like a nice trade. This is like an order block on the higher time frame. So all of this, and price usually goes back to order blocks. I should have put my TP somewhere around here. But the thing about it is that I just put it barely there. I gotta sit on the safe side. I'm not gonna lie, I should be doing more next time. Like for example, price goes down here, okay, and I put stop loss at break even, so I'm not losing anything, or I put it at slight profit, and it just kept on dropping. I should have left it, and that would have been like a really nice trade. But anyways, those were the trades that I took, and I hope you guys learned something. And yeah, anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.